This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gregory Murray. Beautiful Toll Brothers built 4BR home with loft. This highly upgraded home boasts a great room floor plan with custom stone accents. Home has natural gas, stainless appliances, and upgraded granite. The pool/lanai area is designed for entertaining with a custom granite bar and fridge. A few of the many upgrades include upgraded landscaping, 175 bottle wine display, crown molding, diagonal tile, H/West flooring and much more. There and #X2019, a gas line to the lanai. Custom shelving in the pantry. The formal dining room looks out on an open-air living/garden area. Enjoy a dip in your private, southern exposure pool and have dinner outside on your screened-in lanai. Pool cage is surrounded by mature, upgraded landscaping. Exterior painted in 2021. The second floor loft features a wood-paneled accent wall. Second floor laundry with washer and dryer. The 3-car garage has a Gladiator organizing system and floor sealant. Custom California closets in upstairs bedrooms. This family-friendly home is in a great location for accessing some of the best schools in Naples, west of 75, just south of Pine Ridge Road on Livingston Road. On SUPRA. For more information,